Hello friends, welcome to Guangzhou Shinelong Kitchen Equipment. Today I'm very pleased to introduce Freestanding Ice Maker to you. Freestanding Ice Maker covers a different range of models. You can choose the Undercounter models, also you can choose the Freestanding model. Sure, if you want to make a small amounts of ice, you can choose the tabletop models too. Freestanding Ice Maker, the body is made of stainless steel 304. And also, the ice tank is made of food grade PP. Freestanding Ice Maker uses a very high-end brand compressor. For example, the Scope, Umbraco, Panasonic, and Highly. This reliable compressor can make the ice flavor and structure last very long. Actually, when the people choose the ice maker, they want to ask how long time it will take to make the panels. But for our Freestanding Ice Maker, the first panel will take a little bit long time. It will take 20 to 22 minutes to make it. And after that, it will take only 10 to 12 minutes to make every panels. Freestanding Ice Maker can make different type of ice. For example, the ice cube, also the bullet ice, mice ice. Also, if you have different requirements, you can contact us for more details. If you want more information about the ice maker, contact Freestanding, contact Shinelong. See you next time. Bye bye.